Welcome back, guys, to my channel. It's your boy, your fashion boy. Today we're gonna be reviewing some sunglasses. No outfits today, just the sunglasses. So, guys, I would say we start with the cheapest glasses. Some Oakley sunglasses, really nice. They're made for sports. Maybe like for golfing or any other sport that's outside. And it looks very nice. It has a really nice feature in the middle here. So, and some people don't like it, but I do. It's so that it's, as you can see, there's no space in between. So it's just one big sunglass. And it's flat top. Guys, if you don't know what flat top means, it means that up here it's straight. And because it's sport sunglasses, it has these clips in it. So as you can see right here, if I clip it up, it gets stuck here, so it doesn't fall off your head, as you can see. And that's really, really nice. Other sunglasses will probably fall off if you do that. So that's a cool feature. The price for them was $80, so that's a good quality price. And I would say we move on to the next sunglasses. The next sunglasses, these are some Ray-Bans. The name is 3576. So if you don't know, Ray-Ban sunglasses always have their name on the inside right here, and it's usually a number and a letter. So it's actually RB 3576/N, and I think these are really cool because the blue, as you can see, is so there's blue on the outside, but in the middle it's kind of brownish, yellowish, and I think that looks really cool when you wear them like this. And everything looks kind of yellowish. It makes work look better sometimes. And they're really, really comfortable on the face, but something I can already see is that so that's kind of annoying, and on this side it doesn't do that. So price wise, these were $100 and these were 80. So I mean, I would go with these before I would buy these, but depends on what you do, because these are just for outside and these are more for sports. They're also in the Chroman series, so it means they're chromed, as you can see, so you can't look through the sunglasses. It's really nice sunglasses. Still very good, but this is kind of annoying. But I've seen that on a lot of sunglasses, so I don't know if that's normal or not. So before we move on, I actually want to tell you that you can fix this. But if with a screwdriver, but if you do, you could break the screw and then it's completely broken. So if you want to fix it, then go to a professional who can do it for you. And also, these are more stylish sunglasses, so you can always put it with a jean and a white button-down shirt or something. They're really cool with blue shoes and a blue shirt. Overall, I would give them an 8 out of 10, so that's a good rating. I'd say we move on to the next sunglasses. More Ray-Bans. We open them so you see what they look like. Again, we have sunglasses that only have one glass in them, and these are special, I would say, because they have a very, very unique design. But I think they're really cool. One thing that is annoying though is that there's so much space here that you can see what's behind you, and it's it's kind of annoying. When I bought these, I actually really liked them, but after wearing them a lot, I kind of got bored from the design and I didn't like them as much anymore. But they're still really cool. With some outfits you can rock them, but after a while I just got bored with them. And the price for these was 180. So rating wise, I can't give this a high one, like a 4 maybe, because it's not the original Ray-Ban design, and for the price $180, it's not worth it. And also I think they look kind of like Porsche design glasses. So I think that they actually copied from Porsche design, and if you want sunglasses then that look like these, go to Porsche design, because that's what they're known for. Ray-Bans are not known for this kind of form. So, not really the best of sunglasses. Next, we have some Carrera grün, sunglasses. I think these look very cool. I also really like the box. It's really sturdy, it's really hard. That's a quality box if I see one. And I've always wanted sunglasses like these. They're really cool. Red and black always goes well with outfits. And they're not chrome, so you can look through them. And when you put them on, they look really cool. I like the design especially, and on comfort wise, they're pretty comfortable. I think Ray-Ban are more comfortable, but they are still comfortable. And price wise, these were 200 to 220 euros, and I think that's a fair price for them because they're really cool and just nice sunglasses overall. And I would give these 8.5 because I think they look really cool. They're worth the price, and comfort wise it's not perfect, so that's why I can't give it a higher ranking, but otherwise these are really, really nice sunglasses. So if you don't know Carrera, it's made in Austria, so they're cheaper there, but they're still, I think they're a good price here in America too. Next up, we have more Ray-Ban sunglasses. These are also chromats, and these are actually special because they are polarized. So if you don't know what polarized means, it means that you don't have any reflections of the sun. So it's really, first of all, again, like I said before, Ray-Ban sunglasses very comfortable to wear. And if you look in the sun, there won't be any reflections. It might be useful if you're like hiking or something. So they're really nice. Price wise, these were pretty expensive actually for Ray-Ban sunglasses. I think I know they were 220 dollars. But I think they're absolutely worth it because of the polarized glasses, and they're really comfortable. Overall rating, I would give this actually a 9, but the price is a lot for sunglasses, so I can't really go above a 9 because Ray-Ban sunglasses shouldn't be more expensive than 200 euros in my head. But yeah, really nice and comfortable sunglasses. So next up we have some more expensive sunglasses. I don't actually have these the box for them. They're somewhere, I don't know where they are right now. These are MCM sunglasses, and with these sunglasses again, this happens. So that's really bad actually. One time I was wearing these actually, and I was showing them a friend because I wanted to see them, and I accidentally dropped them, and the glass came out. So that was really surprising for their price. So they were 400 euros, and I don't think the 400 euros are really worth it because it just looks like a Ray-Ban, normal Ray-Ban, but it says MCM on the side right here. So I guess if you want to flex with them, they are good sunglasses. They're pretty comfortable. I think they're more comfortable than Ray-Bans, but for their price, they're absolutely not worth it if you are just buying them for looks, because you can always buy a Ray-Ban sunglass for half the price. So rating wise, I would give them like a 6 because they're really comfortable, and for that price, I can't really give them a higher than a 6 because 400 euros is a lot for sunglasses. But yeah, overall, really cool sunglasses. So next up, we have some really, really expensive sunglasses. These are Yves Saint Laurent. I've already reviewed these in another video. So these were 500 euros, dollars. We bought them at King of Prussia, and if you know, I like to go to King of Prussia. I will put the video link in the description so you can check out the video where I went to King of Prussia. These are really nice sunglasses, but they actually don't fit me very well because I can feel them pressuring me right here. So that's not very comfortable for me. So if you have the same problem as me that they don't fit you very well, you can always go to the optician. They will fix this, so it fits you. And so if you want to do that, it's actually free at most places. They just heat up the rim and they will bend it out so it fits you better. These are actually unisex sunglasses, so you can wear them also if you're a woman, and you can wear all of these if you're a woman, but some of them are just more masculine styled. And price-wise, these were $500, which is a lot for sunglasses. But for these, I can actually see them $500 because it's not like a ripoff of any other company. They're flat top and they're Yves Saint Laurent sunglasses, so you're paying a lot for the company there. So rating, I would give them 7.5. I would give them more, but the price is really a lot for sunglasses, and you can get a lot of things for $500 that look maybe better. So that's the reason why I only gave it a 7. So guys, that was the video. Hope you liked the video. If you did, like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Your Fashionboy.